Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review and we are covering 3 best smoothie blenders under $200 in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. To begin with, a classic and original blender of dedicated marque, Blendtec by an American company, is to be appreciated. It is a professional-grade machine having a FourSide jar with 75 ounces volume / 32 ounces wet or dry use. The structure is squarely designed and is sleek and attractive enough to be kept in the kitchen. Involving the 6 pre-programmed cycles and 10 speed controls along with a pulse feature swore to make the appetizing refreshments with the up-to-mark density. The color of this blending machine is black. Although there are a variety of 3 more colors available in this model, they are expensive. The blades employed in this device are blunt and not sharp. These blades are made of cold-forged hardened steel for the fine capturing of the pieces. Such blades also make the cleaning easy without any injury caused by the sharpness. The other reason may be the blender base has got the garbage chunks. Add warm water in it and let it sit for some minutes. Try again then. It consumes 120 volts of power, which is up to 50 to 60 Hz on average, quite okay. Not so loud device, but still it is and gets a little more when a hard ingredient gets under the blade. The weight of the unit is 7.28 pounds with other dimensions of 7x 8x 15.5 inches. This blender carries 8 years warranty, which is more than enough for any full-time working machine. It is the best budget blender you want. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cleanblend Commercial Blender. A Cleanblend is a commercial blender and a mixer with 64-ounce BPA-free container perfect for large families. The container is also with rubber-coated handling. The processing is done with stainless steel 8-blade assembly that cut off the material to the smallest of the particles and then into a fine fusion. I have had blenders from an expensive Vitamix to best cheap $50 blender. It was good and doing well in my kitchen, but it would disturb the routine sometimes by working slowly or not working at all. It was like it will blend only when it is in the mood. I could not grasp on the actual problem the machine had, but I was already fed up of using it daily. I wanted to try something new now. I believe all of the blenders, even the most expensive ones, perform like cheap ones in a couple of years. What is the point of paying so much on one device and the other can do the same job at comparatively less price? I bought this one after I had the most out of my Vitamix blender and really wanted to switch. The Cleanblend blending machine has variable speed control and a pulse, all for your convenience. The motor of the device is 3 horsepower of 1,800 watts. The tamper provided helps in pushing the ingredients back to the blades. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Oster Versa Pro Blender. The Oster Versa Pro series is just around $200 with all of the essential features that a blender is demanded of. There are 3 programmed settings in it for creating smoothies, soups, and dips. Along with that, there is a pulse and variable speeds to change the blending sessions from low to high up to your desire. With that being said, speed controls are accompanied with the blades, which are made up of stainless steel and spins over 250 miles per hour. Blades, they are what makes a blender worthy of using, and the 6-point blades are capable of handling every type of ingredient in the container. You must agree with me when I say it is impossible to find the best blender at $100, but I found. This 60-ounce BPA-free blending container could serve a complete family in one go, and it was my best purchase. This blender can be easily fit under the kitchen cabinets because of a particular height. The container is BPA-free Tritan plastic jar. A tamper, yes, included assisting in mixing the thick components well in the blending. The game is charged up with 2 recipe books in the box with the goodness of 130 recipes to encourage your taste and blending. It also has a quick connection top that conveniently places the jar on the motor base. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.